In this video, we will be doing an overview of the Sales and F&I module. The Sales and F&I module is where all things vehicle sales, F&I, and vehicle inventory can be accomplished. The following deal types can be created here: finance deals, single cash payments, leases, dealer trades, and wholesales. You are also able to review previously saved sales records and deals already posted to the general ledger that are now in history. You can review and update existing vehicle inventory as well as stock in new vehicles. Keep in mind, the vehicle stocking in process is two-part. You first assign a stock number and save vehicle details to LightYear's inventory module. Next, general ledger entries must be made to establish the inventory cost and flooring balance in the case of new factory-ordered vehicles. When utilizing LightYear's auto accounting feature, the general ledger postings can also be accomplished from the vehicle entry module, providing a central location to completely stock in vehicles beginning to end. Setups and utilization of the auto accounting feature will be addressed in more detail in the accounting training module. If you take a look at the button row that has been reconfigured specifically for the Sales and F&I module, you'll notice that the deal creation process moves from left to right, just like reading a book. Starting on the left, the guest window is where new deals are created. You can view or edit prospect contact information, modify the vehicles they're interested in, and identify the salesperson working the deal. You can also search for existing deals, add a co-buyer to a deal, or swap the buyer and co-buyer. Next, the appraisal window is used to establish a value for a potential trade through our partner, Blackbook. There is an added benefit of printing write-ups and appraisal sheets that include trade details if the appraisal window is filled out with the trade vehicle information. Also know that you can override Blackbook's calculation and manually enter an actual cash value, ACV. Note: Blackbook is also who we're partnered with for the sake of VIN decoding. The buy window is where financed and cash deals are desked. It is possible to take base vehicle information and options from the buy screen and push them to the lease screen without needing to rebuild a lease from scratch. Write-up sheets for financed and cash deals are also printed from the buy window. The lease window is where lease deals are desked. Like the buy window, it is possible to take base vehicle information and options from the lease screen and push them to the buy screen without needing to rebuild a financed or cash deal from scratch. Write-up sheets for lease deals are also printed from the lease window. Once the customer has committed to a trade, vehicle details are entered into the trades window. Up to 3 trades are allowed per deal. This is the information that will be put into the stock record for the pending trade. At this point, you are required to assign a stock number for the traded units. Once saved, vehicles can be set to immediately show as available in inventory as a pending trade and are accessible by the service department for any reconditioning work. When confirming the structure of a deal, the F&I manager will view the deal transaction window. They will verify details such as vehicle miles at time of sale, the customer's lender, and whether it is a finance, cash, or lease deal. They will also look at product details such as service contracts, maintenance plans, and so on, and the customer's insurance information. They can also itemize any cash down and review commissions. F&I forms are printed from the Forms window. Reports are viewed and printed from the Reports window. In the Vehicle Entry window, detailed vehicle information on selling units is viewable. You also have the ability to add newly purchased vehicles to inventory. The Inventory Search button allows you to go directly into a search window to pull up a specific vehicle or vehicle type from your vehicle inventory. The Wholesales and Dealer Trades window allows you to identify the outgoing dealer trade or wholesale unit and generate a deal number for tracking and reporting without the unnecessary details and options used in a retail deal. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the Sales and F&I module overview.